Hello? Hello?
Stock market's closed, right? This won't work, that mag 7, until stock market opens. Yo, yo. Alright, we got one left. To be honest with you, the next one is all the way down here, so we'll see. But this is the pullback, 61% of that huge move down. Orange. So it's meaning that it's oversold on a short-term basis. I got 2 out of my 3 that closed out for profit. What's up, user? Outsider, good morning on YT. Thanks for the hearts. Thanks for the hearts. I wonder if it is gonna hit it. That's the only one that I see the order block down here. 24. You said 686. I have to go in a higher time frame to see this. We'll do this. The other one is really far behind, but there is one right here. So it starts at 661, but it ends at 626. So poison there. 15-minute. The huge one here. 672. Then I want to put that 1.5 back on. We'll see. If you're using the signals here, they're fire. You can see that they're fire. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can continue. But they are becoming oversold. Keep that in mind. As long as it doesn't close above this. Gucci. I know it looks like a mess. It's gonna struggle in here. I'm thinking most likely 640 on that 5. I'm just gonna close this. If it reverses, you guys understand. Plus, this is a 61 to 70% pullback, so it's gonna have some weird movement in here. Gonna stop me out here. I want to hold it more because it got this easy fucking order block here, but we'll just re-enter. Oh, and we got our shift finally. So we might be at the bottom. I'm gonna close this. Should I close it? Save me $3. These dots are crazy. I guess in a way, good work. I tried to make another indicator last night, but it didn't go out as great as I wanted it to. Work as great as I wanted to. Just testing it. All right. It's obviously gonna close, right? See how it reacts here. Even if it reacts here, I don't know if I want to go against the Soul Collector. We got our flag was way up here, but we had to be patient and wait for our rockets. The rocket, this first one is a fair value gap. That means that it finally went above a fair value gap. So it's starting to say, hey, fuckers, you know, we're getting towards the bottom here. And then this last rocket is my shift. It means it's a shift in structure. Not literally a shift in structure like the ICT terms, but like my own personal average starting to change. Now for us to enter as long, we need some kind of higher low to form. So if it wanted to pull back, or it even starts to hold this fair value gap, we could. I don't want to miss this run. It's a nice move up. Be honest, okay, so we got like one here. One's a hard one. Looks like it just wants a V shape out of here. Let's see if it holds this where I got up here too. It's not gonna give us a pullback, is it? Fucker. Yo, fucker! Patience, though. Let's see. Getting all these green dots. I created this yesterday. I just wanted to test it out. It's supposed to be when it breaks the order blocks. But I didn't want it this way. Bro. To the moon, isn't it? Missed this one. These ones are fucking hard, man. These are the ones I do kind of miss. You know, Rocket came and we just got the fuck in. Guys, if you don't mind, tap that screen. Give me at least 20. It takes you about 2 seconds. Tap that screen. I get out of this algorithm. Algorithm's been messed up. Mr. Dad, welcome to the TikTok side. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I took that 1,000 out and I cracked mine. Asia has not been fun to me either. I did another eval for Lucid. I needed like $80 more to make it live again. And one of those candles last night fucking destroyed me. I mean, literally, it was like a 80-point candle, random. I mean, I was aggressively in too high on it anyway. I wonder if this is gonna. This should deny, but I don't really want to go against this. Let's watch it. My apexes are live, but Lucid, I need to start it over. Unfortunately. Oh yeah, passing very easy. Even when I am live, it's pretty usually easy. It's when I get too aggressive and greedy. It just makes me feel better. I calculated the other day. I think I had 52,000 was my highest point of profit between 4 accounts. And that's gone, so yes, $52,000 I probably could have taken out by now. As an Apex affiliate, do you have an insight on when they will let us trade gold again? No, it's they need to. Yeah, I don't know. They don't tell us. They're just getting they're getting touched. Every prop firm was getting killed. Even Lucid came out with a wow. All right, I'm gonna long this now. A little bit on the pacing side, but I don't see this stopping at least the VWAP. We'll do one at the 150 and then VWAP. But even Lucid came out and said they're cracking down on their hedging. Because what people were doing with gold, I guarantee they were doing this. They were taking one account going long on gold and one account going short. And you put 10 contracts, you were making 10 G's. Oh, I don't know. That's based on the market. I don't have a set. Mine is if it's working, keep trading. You know, if it doesn't, walk away. Easier said than done.
Daddy? Is that you?
Hello, Capital. Welcome to the Soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Easily just fucking ripped up. And closed. Got one more. See. Yes. King of the castle. King of the castle. Honestly, it's been mostly like Asia though, right? I should probably walk away in Asia, but like, damn, that was kind of slow and close. Like, it almost didn't go to my spot. I should probably walk away after that, because the next few fucking trades are like, what the fuck's going on? And then, like, I mean, easier said than fucking done, I guess. You know, that psychology part's the fucking worst. Wow, so the fair value gaps are just holding up here. We got buys. I don't know why, but this song always pops up on my Spotify. I wonder if it really thinks I'm a gangster. So funny. I don't know why. I'm like, I'm like, why is this playing? I like the song, but it's pretty random that it just comes on all the time. Now it's probably just in my algorithm, period. Paradise. What's up? Hell yeah. No work is a good day, right? Today was a motherfucking good day. I haven't seen you in a bit. What you been up to? X6. Yo. How you been doing? I know. I hopefully knock on wood. I was busy for a few weeks, Mexico, and also when TikTok switched over to USA, it kind of messed up my algorithm really bad. But doing your down isn't bad at all. What happened to your live account? Did you take it all out? I am at a long. I'm trying to get to 806 to 820. Yo, and there's been a lot of traders on TikTok. Do you guys agree? Why is there so many all of a sudden? Making me upset that Alpha Daddy couldn't get on during that time. Just to, like, you know, just to crush them a bit. Ah. I thought maybe it was the recent, like, gold and silver stuff. I don't know. Everybody thinks they can trade now. Us veterans, right? Everybody that's in this chat, we all know that'll come and go. People think that they're the, you know, the best, and then they get whopped.
Daddy? Is that you?
Whoa, shot him. I'm sorry that happened. But you got lucky, you got a good cop. Wind song. Wow, see, like this is pretty what does this want to do here? I think it wants up. But it's pulling back a lot here and there. How the fitness girls promoting? I'm gonna start wearing a bikini. Also, most of the time, as long as you don't live there, Hofo don't care. If you lived there, that would have been a different story. Maybe. Different story. Let's see what it does here. If we have to close this and get in again, we will. I don't want to, but we don't want to, because we waited for this kind of pullback here,
Daddy?
and maybe this is the pullback.
Is that you?
I don't think it is.
Ah, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
These dots, don't worry about them. It was just something I was testing. They somehow have kind of been picking the direction pretty good. That's crazy, bro. You were a baby having a baby. I am for real. Let's see if we got a bounce here. If it rips up here, I'm going to go one more. Okay. It has to get past here. So if we want to, we can take out 2 just in case. Oh. Uh-oh. I am for real. Oh, this is the fucking orb high. You know why this background's blue? Because the fucking regular market's closed. Meaning like it usually marks out pre-market closures, you know? But right now the real market isn't open. You fucker. This is gonna play games, isn't it? Alright, let's just see if this is a bigger dip. If it is a bigger dip, then it's gonna go to like 733s. 733s could be potential. We'll have to watch. If it starts closing below this, we'll unfortunately have to take that loss. It looked really good to go up, though. Just playing with the cookie highs and lows here. That went down, didn't it, when I fucking went over? You jerk off. Gotta wait for it to close. Thirty more seconds. Yikes, this looks bad. I still see it going up, but you really don't want to hold it through all this. It's gonna be fucking upsetting, but it's kind of projecting off this, so let's see. If it doesn't, then we'll have to close this shit. There it is. Because we got this oversold candles. It's gonna have some kind of relief. Mr. Bastard. So I gotta watch here. I don't like when I do this too. You guys can see it. I'm like, just a little bit more. There's another one here. Let's just hold it. It's a little bit more. Let's just hold it. Those are dangerous to do. if that makes sense, because, you know, it could just keep going, and then if you look at your TP, you're like, oh, fuck. I'm already down $200. I might as well hold a little bit more, and then the 200 comes into 600. Pretty big psychological game. Antonio! Asia low. Look at it, but I think it's over here. 93s that it hit. Alright, I'm gonna add one more. Oh, did I chase that, you little fucker? See, it rejected it. Should have been careful because there's still one here. We'll see what happens. We'll do some at break even here. This one. Yeah, that was a nice bounce, X6. But there's a lot of resistance coming up. Yeah, overnight low. Basically Asia. Nah. That's a part. That's our brain hit. That's our brain. A bad habit is like I'm usually right, so if I hold it a little bit longer, it's usually them just fucking with us. But we'll see. We'll see. Fuck you. And remember, today's a holiday too. Today's a holiday. If this goes down, I'll be so annoyed. I'm not bullish or bearish because technically all the stocks are closed today. Ah, we're gonna have to close this if it goes below. Yeah, I'm just gonna close it. That's twice. We'll get it back. We'll get it back. This fucking holds this. I'm gonna punch it in its face. It's a really big candle. Okay. We got 7 seconds. X6 is playing games, brother. We'll look for another long. We'll see what happens. What's good about this one, if it does hold here, we do have some distance.
Daddy? Is that you?
I hate you, X6. Daddy?
Daddy? That you?
Daddy, chill.
10 p.m. Where are you trading from? Do we trust this short? Oh, it's already oversold, so.
Daddy? Is that you?
Sugar Baba Car, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
So it's 421, Antonio? 4988. You're in gold, brother. This is NASDAQ. This is NASDAQ. NASDAQ futures. Micro. See, I'm glad I closed it. Because did this not look like, hey, it definitely knows what it's doing right now, those fucking algorithms. Some scientists created a really good one. Right? They said, hey, we're going to pretend bounce here, bring it up, and then fucking smack it down. It's pretty funny. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't recommend anybody to copy me. Hey, that's scary if they did. Antonio, I don't know. I don't want to lose my fucking shirt. Mr. Bass, you're trying long here. This is the 61% pullback on this, so it could. Want to wait for a little bit more confirmation. Guys, you VIP members, the Bully Bear Soul Collector, the only thing that I updated on it was just if you wanted to get rid of the filled fair value gaps, it was flickering. It was just a code glitch. I fixed it. I copied that. Uh-oh. Let's see. See if you're right. Literally between the golden zone here for the Fibonacci. No way. Crypto's crazy. Have you tried Warbucks, Antonio? Warbucks is the one where you can trade crypto, right? Oh, you just day trade crypto, period? Gangsta, bro. That's some gangsta shit. Like on a real account. I'll definitely lose my shirt if I did real. Yeah, I have those accounts. AG, I was just joking. I have to tell everybody that.
Daddy?
You shouldn't
Is that you?
copy somebody online anyway. Yes, I would like to trade crypto futures too, but there's let's see, like BTC. Look at the volume. Fucking trash. Trash. So
Jermaine, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Hopefully we get something here soon. I mean, we've gotten many shorts, but I'm like hesitant for some fucking reason. I am Alpha Daddy. I am red. I am red right now, though. I'm kind of being cautious. Right now, Mr. Bastard, I believe this is the 78. I just don't know if this wants to come down and soul collect again. Yeah, 715s is the 78. Most likely. Alright, let's see if we can do a wick off of this. This is going to be a real quick short scalp. We're going to see what happens here. We're doing a pullback fair value gap. Because I think it wants to continue down a little more. This is the orb low into a 61% pullback on the larger one. Daddy, chill.
Daddy, chill.
Will you crash down? And then I really wanted to hit this order block. Go one more. Stop being a little pansy. You know what you're doing, Alpha Daddy. You know what you're doing. Fall! Fall! Please don't make me look silly. This right here is a swing block. What I've noticed is that these love to get filled. They love it. They love it. Once it gets filled, it turns into a soul collector. And then I've been trading that. Every once in a while, it'll struggle. I have 4 right now. I have 4. Any higher and you're wrong, you might panic. So just be careful when you're sizing. I usually recommend 4 for every 50k you got. Market's moving fast, but it's also moving slow, if that makes any fucking sense. I feel like I just contradicted what I said, but I feel like if you're wrong, it's moving way against you. And if you're right, it's not moving enough. This is NASDAQ futures. A little bit more, Daddy. I haven't been trading gold too much in front of you guys because a lot of you guys can't trade it. Take Profit Trader, Bob, allows you to do it. If it's popping, I'll move it over. I'm surprised Take Profit Trader didn't switch it. If this fucking rips up, I'm gonna fucking scream. Well, why did it deny you? Yeah, it's pretty weird. I'm gonna take off 2. I think this wants to swipe it. No reason? What does that mean? Gotta have some kind of reason. That's weird. I'll be fucking contact them. I'm gonna get a monster long eventually here, I think, so. We do have this other area that we thought that it might hit, 650s to 664s, so keep that in mind too. Yeah, I know, their customer service does suck. Which I'm surprised, like, I don't know. You know whose customer service is amazing? Definitely not fucking Apex. I rep Apex all the time, but their customer service takes a long time too. Lucid. Lucid's customer service is fire. First off, they got an AI bot that answers you like instantly, and most of the time, you're gonna get your answer right there. And if it's a problem, the AI automatically bumps it to a ticket, and they usually respond within a couple hours, depending, if the market's not in chaos and shambles, like the fishy shit. But that's any prop firm. That's gonna take a long time.
Daddy? Is that you?
Mr. Yogurt. Yes, I'll be on for the next until Wednesday.
Oma, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
All right, we're in this zone here. I think it wants it. I don't think it wants up. Josh, we did in the beginning, and then we're trying to get it back. How to trade Hunter Day? Wow. It's a very broad question. If you want, I got a free Discord in the bio. There's a beginner's no knowledge section if you want to look at that. It's gonna take some time, so don't think you're gonna just get on the chart and make some motherfucking money. Sometimes this can take a year or more. Just $400 off my daily goal, and we good. Depends on how you say that, Josh. What happens if it was just $400 a day? It means you got nothing. I really want to add into this, but I'm gonna add one in. Fuck it. Yeah, it's been difficult. I can't really attest to that the market was difficult. It wasn't. It wasn't. I was up like $55,000 fucking dollars. Well, 51, I think, and I did give that back. I did take out like 6 or 7,000 in payouts, but I did get back a shit load of profit. I was just too aggressive. I shit you not, my Apex accounts were all like 15 to 17. I can't remember, 15,000 each. 2 Lucids that were like 8,000 each. I think I was just happy to get payouts, and I said, fuck it. I just traded like a fucking freak. And I was in Mexico, and I kept losing service. I was like, yo, what is wrong with me? Any normal person would not trade. And then one of those Asian nights, gold dropped. It moved like, fuck, like $100. And one candle, and it ripped me. It ripped me. Yeah, I figured I was up. I also made a lot of money through prop firms. So I was a little nervous with our tax season this year, but we did pretty good. I can't give advice on taxes. You have to ask your tax guy. I cannot give advice on here. But I was nervous. But everything worked out very, very nice, knock on wood. Nah, she don't even pay attention to me, Yogurt. You'll see, like, if people aren't traders, don't even waste your time talking to them about trading, because nobody's gonna. You'll know if they're interested, if that makes sense. Most of our significant others don't care. As long as you don't fucking crack the bank, right? Josh, yeah, it's pretty good. It's a little bit confusing here and there though. Like you think it's gonna keep going, then it's not. Look at this 30. I think we should look at the 30-second chart just in case. Hell yeah, stay green. Good to see you, brother. Probably should put this in profit, huh? Just too gangsta. Gangsta. I hope you didn't, Josh. LN, why don't you come on live regularly? Oh, fuck me. I'm gonna close this. I have a career job, so it rotates the schedule. I work 4 on and then 4 off, so a lot of the weeks at least will be on 3 days. Well, these are ticks. Tips is 4x. It's really good to have a base pay. If you guys are traders, you'll understand like the psychology level is the hard part. So if you depend on trading alone, you might not be a good trader at all. You might actually be one of the best traders, but you can't comprehend, depending on this alone, and you'll do stupid shit. Like, say you're down $1,000, you'll try to make that back because you need to pay your bills, right? So you're gonna go in there and be like, I gotta get this back. I gotta get this back because my fucking rent money is my rent money is my rent money is my rent money is my mortgage is my mortgage. You're gonna crack it. And I worked hard to get where I am for career-wise, so I'm doing okay. All right, so that's our method right now. I would love to do this full time, but until I start making a fucking $1 million a year, we'll have to. Honestly, BTC is at a very fucking wild crossroads. We can go down pretty low. Now, before these soul collectors have been hard to trade. I'm on a 30-second chart because guess what happened? It broke this swing low, so I'm going to try to scalp a little bit out of this. I am looking for a long. Let's see if this pulls back, though. I'd love for it to pull back and then get long. How much was the first funded account you bought? Are you familiar with prop firms? If you are, I recommend Apex and Lucid. Apex is live trailing drawdown, and Lucid is end of day, so just look them up. And then use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. Depending on the percent off, they give you a nice discount. So Apex, I believe, is like $38 right now. 80% off of my code. I really want to go long, guys. I just don't want to be fucking... I don't want to get trapped in a bad spot here. Does that make sense? I don't want to confuse you guys. 1 minute, it broke that low. And I've been noticing that if I drop that 30-second, I can scalp these really fucking nice to the upside. But they haven't been pulling back for the dip buy. Or at least I haven't been patient enough to see. Depends on what size you get. Oh, look, see, I could have got really smacked. You can get like a $50,000 account. The goal is to make 3,000 without losing 2. Most of them. See how this reacts here? Because this would be a sweet... I'm going in heavy if this holds. Don't mind this dot. It's something I'm working on. I was curious to see if I can fix it. Whew, down. So X of death. That's why we're patient, guys. I know I said before we weren't getting a dip, but that's why we're being patient. Fucking soul grabber. Thanks for the heart. Appreciate it. Just the gift. Stop the dump. Dump on my chest. What? Weirdo. Wow, this held. This fucking held. What a fucking man. Did we go long? Shit. Yeah, this is kind of hard to trade. We need to break one of these highs. And then if it breaks one of these highs, we just get the fuck in. 'Cause it's pretty big dip there. I mean, we'll be good to go long, but we'll have to hold it. I'm looking for a long here on the 1 minute. We were looking on the 30-second, but it's getting difficult. But this shit's holding. If you're wondering what this background is, this is the 61 to 78% on the larger time frame. So it's gonna dance in here. I'll probably do 4. We got to be patient though. We got to see what happens. $702s will be my entry. All right, we're in. See if it pulls back. We'll get one more on the way down. It's gonna go without it. All right, I'm in long. We have a few stops here. I also want to see on the 30-second chart, where is... Okay, so this lines up, and then there's one here too. For order blocks, but we're going to go over to the 1. Stop loss is going to be 681s. Well, in reality, you probably can do 688. But they might wick into it, so you'll have to hold it. I would say safe bet 681s until it starts moving up a bit. We have a shitload of spots here to go to, so let's see what happens. Probably double bottom, right? I don't even know what the fuck this is. RSI. What I needed. See how it's... We got a low here. Go to the RSI, there's a low. Go to the next lower low that broke the previous low. And go to the RSI. What happened? It did not break that low on RSI. So we're showing the weakness to the downside. A lot of spots here. You could take it here. 733s. Let's we'll put one in there. Let's not be jackass. I think it wants to go up though to 775s. Got 95 people in here. Give me 10 likes each. Help me get off this weird algorithm I've been having lately. We usually have over 100 people all the time. And since it went to the USA, it's been all messed up. Give me like 20 each. It'll take you 2 seconds. Ready? Bang, motherfucker. Your significant other will be happy with you. They might call the cops on you. But thanks to the rose. I appreciate you. Blah. Yeah, it's a weird algorithm. And I don't recommend you to copy trade me at all. Just showing my style. But if you do make money along with me, give me fucking 10 likes each on top of that, bitches. There could be a dip here. So like right now, you could move your stop loss to like a little bit below this 686s now. This is futures. The actual market is closed. For stocks. MetaTrader 5. Yeah, you're probably looking at the stock market, not futures. I can look at gold, yeah. Nasdaq's been moving nicely, so I've been watching it. What's gold been doing? Like, it's going really slow, gold, so we'll stick to the NQ. My TP, we wanted to be smart, could actually be here for some of it. And then I kind of want 733s. If it starts ripping past that, then we'll be looking for about 744 to 748s. And then after that, it's going to be up to you. We're going to have to feel it out. Maybe we'll hold one. A MetaTrader, it should be MNQH6, maybe. MNQH6. That's for the micro. You just change your size. So you just change your size. So like, say you're in 5 long, then you move it down to your contract size to 1. And then you can do partials that way or whatever you want to do. Wow, what a rejection. See, this holds. I bet you this hit the fucking close to the blue line. Midline on the fucking 30-second. So it might pull back for a little bit. I think up, period. Yep, 30-second. 30-second's been really fire. See where the next, so this could pull back a lot. I'm gonna have some balls though. You're on a sell? Yeah, I just wrote it down to you, I think, AG. MNQH6, it should be. It's wrong. I'm not sure. Anybody know what futures is on MetaTrader? What account, what prop firm did you buy? You little bitch. Five-minute cookie here. I do think it goes up, but it might play games. E8. Yeah, we're not familiar with E8.
Daddy?
I'm guessing you're from
Is that
Europe.
Ask of Smith, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
What's kind of buns? Price movement? I can't believe I was like 2 points away. Oh my god. How do I go from like $300 profit
Daddy?
to negative
Is
39?
that you?
Hey, Mondo. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I would do this. I didn't see the opportunity to put a good stop loss yet, though. TP. Still be Gucci, though. I think it's going to go down, up, down, up, down, up. If it doesn't, it's going to fucking crack. I swear to God. Yep. I'm missing something recently. It's been like just missing a little bit of a ticks, and then it fucking rips down. But I didn't see where I should be putting my fuck you stop loss. We're still Gucci here. Just needed to break a high. Suicidal. Makes some more sense. Yeah. Happens, X6. I think we'll get it back here, though. If not, it's going to go down tremendously bad. $6.99 should rip it up, though. $6.99 should rip it up. Might even add one more to it. Okay, so we added one more. It should break to the upside here. Um, 1 p.m., but most want you closed by 12:45 Eastern. But most want you out by like 12:45, 12:30. Prop firm wise. It's just a very reasonable area to chop, and you're completely fucking right. Being a bitch, isn't it? We're still good, but if it starts ripping down here, it won't be good. We have to wait. Still holding it. That'll be some kind of force that like keeps ripping it down. One thing that's annoying is that there's plenty of room to the upside here. Josh, I think they are. The only reason why I say I think they are is because everything's off by a few ticks. That makes sense? Us retail traders aren't doing that. Those are big dogs. Oh my god, come on. I think they're doing this on purpose. Fucking stupid me, man. Alright. See if we can get a little bit of a trace here. Wow. Be like, this is crazy. What's up eventually? Locked up. Does go along with us getting stuck in here. Locked up, they won't let me out. You in there, they won't let you out. That's fucking hilarious. What is going on? Is downside more? What the fuck they want? What do you want in my life? What's the difference between me and you? The reason why I'm in here, I want to see if it fucking holds this instead. Remember what I was saying before, you got to be careful because you can't say, oh, what if it holds here? What if it holds here? What if it holds here? The problem is that I'm fucking right a lot when it holds the area. Oof. Hard to pull out of that.
Daddy? Is that you?
You would have to time it perfectly or just do one micro and scalp your way out. Claw your way out.
Choppy world, welcome to the show, Daddy.
See, we're fucking back into territory. Fucking annoying. This has been happening a lot. That's why I think... This is why I think banks and all this stuff are actually trading. They are ripping a little bit past than usual. See? And I think this does blast up. But we're missing something. What are we missing here? We're missing something here. That's the ore bottom. We gotta be very careful what the fuck happens here. It never hit my other areas. That's why I think it's playing games and it wants to rip up. RSI still kind of chill. High or low in. I think it was just soul collecting a bit. It could dance. But I think I'm right. Rubber band, yep. It fucking held it perfectly there. It wasn't me. 733 to 741s is my TPs, and then we're gonna hold about 1 and see what the fuck happens. It wasn't you. We're right back to that fucking other area, guys, so just be careful, okay? We're in that same fucking rejection zone. I wouldn't buy now, no. Alright, we're out 1. We are at the midline now. I'm gonna delete this. Midline of the order block. We could be smart and take one out. We'll take another one out, alright? Alright, I got 2 left, alright? Trade your size X6. If you got 1 micro up and you're in 4, just press sell. Or you could right click and do this way. That make sense? So if you want, make sure that your quantity says 1 and you can do sell for the trim. Sell for the trim because you're in a buy, right? The opposite order. Alright, yeah, be careful on this, guys. Be careful on this. And it's the same thing on whatever platform you're trading on. You just make sure your quantity is lower than your how many you have total, and then you would do the opposite trade. 1. 1. Sell 1. Sell 1. That better make sense. I just think it wants up higher. It hasn't. There you go. Alright, we're in 1 left. The reason why I'm saying that is because it's huge rip down with no fucking pullback. And we love to get it to at least a 150. So we're at there like right now. If you're on mobile, bro, all you do is... How many contracts are you in? If you're in 4, make sure your quantity says 1 next to your sell and buy button. Then you just hit. Okay, so as long as your quantity next to your buy and sell button says 1, you can just, if you're in longs, you would short it. So you press sell. That would close one of your contracts. Sell, close another contract. Roberto! If you did each one manually, then you just press sell, 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 sell. Alright, you see this rejection here? Be careful. Volume actually has been okay today, but price action is a tad bit confusing. It looks good, but it goes a little bit extra. The move goes a little bit extra.
Daddy? Is that you?
Tiger Woods, y'all. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Alright, that was a good rejection.
Daddy? Is that you?
Bosco, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Guys, I actually might short. I would take your TP. Problem is, there's another order block here. So, like, if it bounces off of that, it's going to keep going long. These are where they get tricky. I'm going to scalp this one. TP is 732.75. How much I make a day? I don't know. It's different every day. You can see my TP here. Thanks for the share, Chicken Hut. Give me $100 to share with children who can't afford it? Yeah, it could keep going.
Daddy? Is that you?
We'll put our still going up. Fuck me. See, it got a little confusing. But we still gotta wait.
Nick Q, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Still gotta wait. This isn't wrong until it's wrong. Meaning I gotta wait for the candle to close above it. But it does look bullish. Yeah, I was thinking up here. I thought I was gonna pull back. Where'd you learn your zoning? What do you mean my zoning? Like these order blocks? Okay, so now we have another one. This is not looking that great. My boxes is classic order blocks. Any size, not swings. It's as long as there's a fair value gap along with a reversal candle. That's your order block. It's fine. You still made money. Well, all you do is opposite trade it, dude. If you're in longs, you do sell. My indicators are available to you guys. That's the only thing I charge for. Because it's my coding, so I want to get paid for my work. There's a 30-day free trial. Just join my free Discord VIP section. 30-day free trial. After the 30 days, it is $1 a day. 30 for the month.
Daddy? Is that you?
PH, welcome to the show, Daddy.
See that? Patience, baby. Patience. My man. Thank you, X6.
Daddy? Is that you?
Fucking guy. I gotta go.
X6, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
X6 has been following a long time. So we'll have to see what happens here. See how it's wedged in between now? So it's going to pick a direction. These dots are something new that I'm working at. Ignore them. Nice. If you guys traded the signals today, you probably did really fucking well, I can tell you that. There was only one bad one here. 1, 2, 3, 3 out of 4. Yeah, this one probably would have been rough, but I always... What time is this? 10:04? Whatever. 3 right, 2 wrong. 4 right, 5 right, 6 right, 7 right, 7 and 3. This is where it got difficult. But you don't have to listen to these signals. You can turn them off. All right, so this did not hold, and it's going to pull back. To be honest with you, we banked. If you guys banked at all, I don't recommend you to copy me. But if you did make money with me, hit those fucking hearts, bitches. Tap that screen. Ooh, thank you for the gifts. The gifts. Shower me, daddy. Fucking shower me. Sorry. Cowboy, you changed? Did you change something? Did you change your name? This isn't me. This is gonna be hard to remember you, Cowboy. Yes! Shout! Oh, I remember you now. Shower me, daddy. Thanks for the gifts, guys. I appreciate it. Every time I'm like this, I really feel like I'm getting used at the same time. I'm not sure why. I feel like you're throwing dollar bills at me. Is that normal? Well, I was in Mexico, and then I came back, and then I streamed one day, and then I had to go to work. But I'll be on. Josh. Yeah, I feel like a stripper when you guys shower me like that. Probably on for Tuesday and Wednesday also. I'm gonna try to get on at night times. I gotta start doing them here and there. I just don't want to get fucking wankered. Is that a word? Wankered. In the Asia session. What did Top Step do? I know they were saying people were hedging. And a lot of people were hedging. Yes! Shower me, daddy.
Daddy? Is that you?
Well, I can't tell you what that sound is, but he was hedging. So that's crazy, right? Was he going long on one and then short on the other way? I wish Lucid had like an extra 1 or 2,000 payout at one time. That would be pretty cool. Oh, your payout, Bob? So, do you guys know what hedging means? So say you're on oh yeah, there's no fishiness with Lucid. Lucid did just come out with a hedging rule, which is not a big deal because all firms have it. Yes, it's actually very smart, Cowboy. I wish it was a little bit more, but guess what? They're the only ones basically not fucking around with the money and denying payouts along with metal trading. I took a payout last week. I posted it. It was like 17 seconds. I got paid in 17 seconds. I recommend the Flex, Mr. Bob. Oh, yeah, I get confused by the rule, but it looks like there's no payout cap. But all prop firms have the right to stop you or liquidate you when you're live. So, like, if you're being too reckless and losing money, they'll fucking cap you. But it is smart. No, no minimum. But once you take a payout,
According to Politico, Trump calls California UK energy deal inappropriate.
oh wow, Trump speaking.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump.
That's a commercial.
You're behind the mark.
But there is no minimum. You just need 5 days of 150. But once you take a payout, your max loss limit is moved to 50K, 50,100, I believe. So say you only made $900 and you take out 400, then you know, you're only gonna have a $400 loss limit. Last week, I did take a $1,000 payout, and then it gave me, I think I had like $1,200 left. But I crashed. I cracked it. 4K is the way to do it. 4K is the best. But I could see that the market was really fucked up, so I took my profit.
We have posted the article on the feed for those interested.
Thank you for the heart. For the gift. I find it, Josh says, I find it funny Project X ditched all the props for Top Step given the current situation Top Step's in. Now, maybe they did that on purpose. Right? Because Top Step X platform is phenomenal. It's so fucking easy to use. I wish we can take TradingView literally like our fucking indicators and put them on there. Cause then I would be fucking whoo. I'm not gonna lie, I'd be using that shit. But Top Step's doing funny shit, so pick your poison. You like NinjaTrader? Bro, that's a hard fucking platform to learn. I like my simple TradingView. Connect my Tradeovate to my TradingView. Some of you guys don't fucking like it. And that's up to you. Everybody's got their little niche. Yeah, I would, even though I feel like they would steal my shit.
Daddy? Is that you?
Belfort, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Can I get gold to hit 516s? Need to pass my last 150k lucid. It'll be my third one with them. Really, Bob? You better be using my code, motherfucker. Code bully. Oh, nice.
Daddy,
Thanks, Bob.
is
You're the
that you?
best. I know. Hearts. Hearts, Daddy.
User unavailable, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
He said, come on, you fucking asshole. Oh, let's look at the gold. Whoa. Whoa, Daddy. Did go long. 516s. Oof. Moose, what's up, brother? Well, you're going for real liquidity here, aren't you? You have a lot of areas here, just to let you know. You didn't miss too much. Yeah, you should be out of your trades by like 12:30. Depending, you got to look at your Apex and Lucid says 12:45. But it closed at 1. Short, yeah. Your Lucid till 12:45. It's basically an hour and 15 minutes. Wow, this is ripping. I could trade gold, guys, and just turn off my Apex. Seems like a nice cliff diver here. There's just so many areas here. I don't know what to do. I'm going to watch gold, but I want to watch it too. If I trade gold, I got to turn off my Apex because Apex blocked fucking gold trading. Didn't hit my mark. Did not hit my mark yet. I might be a little bit aggressive on my Lucid in a minute because I need to get to 1500. All right, we'll turn off Apex real quick for my copy trader. Because I'm shorting one of these bitches for a scalp. Okay, we hit that midline. Whoa, daddy. Go to the 30-second. Whoa, daddy. Whoa, daddy, chill. I'm going to go to the 30-second chart because I'm gangsta. All right, we're in 2. Most likely, let's be safe and do 5001. Wow, is this spread that much on this? Whoa, daddy. Whoa, daddy. Let's be careful here. Maybe Bob's right. This is just a fucking train up. It did drop to the 30-second chart. Why isn't it showing? Oh. I gotta change the gold contract, sorry. I'm gonna try 1-4. It rips up past this, and we're probably gonna keep going up. I'm on a 30-second chart though, so it does get a little sketch. 1 minute. Still good.
Daddy? Is that you?
Let Daddy cook here. He'll get it. Don't you worry. I turned my Apex off, and now I'm just trading Lucid for gold. I'm thinking at least 5,000s. I want to fucking add more, I really do. But the 1 minute didn't actually crack down yet. Just the 30-second. We got to be patient here. I'm short-term based, guys. It couldn't go up. I'm just short-term based. I'm on a 30 and 1 second. 30-second and a 1 minute chart. I'm gonna get aggressive. Me too. See, this isn't me. You fucked me up by turning me into cowboy. All right, I'm an 8. How about that gangster shit?
Daddy? Is that you?
Usman, welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Come on, Daddy! Come on! The short scalp. We will be wrong. Technically, if it starts closing above 5,009, we do have this extra one, this other level right here. That's where it gets fucking tricky because you're like, do I just hold it to here? And then guess what? It fucking keeps ripping and then you're fucked. So we'll have to judge this one. But technically, this broke down. It should come down. But we do need to have a fuck you. Doesn't matter what you... My bitch! No, I'm just joking, cowboy. I will subconsciously remember that this isn't me, is cowboy. So do they have an MOC release on an early day? Let's see. I don't even know. California. I don't know if they have MOC early release. MOC is when the feds adjust their books and there's a huge spike, usually at 3:50 p.m. Eastern every day. I had to get some meta glasses today and gamble, and if I win, the homeless are getting free. Nice! You like the meta glasses? I'm kind of waiting for like the screen to be in your eye as you're walking around. Yeah, if you make content, yeah, I agree. I do like them for the content. They have those aviator ones that you can use for like outdoors. Those are pretty dope too. Come on, you fucker. Yeah, I don't like that move. Oh, damn, it's $1,500? A lot. But can you imagine, like, just walking and then trading at the same time with your eyeballs? I have not, Mr. Cowboy. Nice, Josh. Nice. You were patient. I like it. So obviously, you know, I have the Cybertruck. You can't use the screen while you're driving though, like internet, like the browser. Nice. Yeah, I got a little aggressive because I want to make that 1,500 today on the Lucid, but I turned off Apex right now. Fuck no, I ain't dumb. I don't even think my brain would allow me. I'd be ah! Oh, I use my phone X6. I literally put it in front, and sometimes I'm like, oh shit. I haven't looked at the road in fucking 2 hours. Yeah, insurance is a little high in them for sure. Hi, Ashley. Like sometimes it'll update when I say like I'm at a light, then my chart will update. I'm sure there's a way around it. But I got my big ass phone. I got the Samsung Fold. Yeah, everybody calls me poor for having a Samsung. Yeah, my dad puts weighted ankle bands on the steering wheel for the autopilot to work. Wow. I I do pay attention a little bit. Like, so when I had my phone behind the steering wheel, you subconsciously are looking too.
Voice news disconnected.
But so far, I have no complaints on the Cybertruck. The only thing that I hate is that the cold weather does drain the battery. Other than that, I have no complaints. I fucking love it. And that snow shit is not real. I've brought it in like a foot of snow, and I didn't even think I could possibly get stuck. If you're on ice, you're on fucking ice. If that makes sense. Doesn't matter what you have. You need spikes. Thank you, Josh. What does that mean? Are you trying to say that I'm nonchalantly a shitty trader? He said, get with the wave, bro. Yo, Samsung's been above fucking you guys. Wow, this is gonna go to the next one. Let me close these. I fucking knew it. This one was hard. You said a cyber slap. You should say Alpha Daddy. I'm trading gold right now, but I have my Apex turned off. Yeah, I mean, I'm not like too sold on the looks. I'm like 50-50. But I got it for the driving. I don't want to fucking drive no more. Who the fuck wants to drive? We're in the year fucking 126, bro. I buy Apple because the wife won't touch a Samsung. The rest of my family have Apple, and then I tell them to go fuck themselves. I'm a lone soldier. Did you guys see that? What's that video of like the penguin? He finally looks at his group and he's like, "I'm fucking done with y'all. I'm going on my own fucking destiny." That's me. Well, even though they say he dies, that's me. I'd rather die doing what I love. DJ, thanks for the fucking gift, brother. Why? She's trying to watch you, Josh? That's when you gotta go like this. Joking, joking, joking. Oh, dude, you're burning everybody. Whoa, DJ. Fucking good day for you, bro. Nice. This is a slow fucking grind. Thanks. Thank you, Bob. This is your fault for putting me on gold. Even though you said up.
Daddy? Is that you?
DOC, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I thought it was a little hard to trade today, DJ. So good job. So it ripped past these. And we got the next one we'll hold a little bit. I'm on a Lucid. I need to make $1,500 for the eval. So I turned off my funded Apexes just to trade this. Because Apex doesn't let you trade gold. I'm gonna try, Mr. Dad. I gotta try to get on. I gotta get these I gotta get my boost on for views. Unfortunately, your guys' time compared to me, I would say 8:30. I'm gonna try. The problem is like fucking I gotta make dinner, right, for the family, and then I gotta then we work out. We all work out together. We have our home gym. Whoa. Thanks for the follow on the purple app. Then we all fucking work out together, so I'm like, I can't cut that show. So you're the family bitch is all I heard. Yep, exactly. I learned from my dad. That's because everybody was getting raped. All those prop firms were getting raped on the metals. You think they're gonna bring gold back? Long term, I don't fucking know. You know what's going on, I think? That they're not really telling us. All those data centers that went up, what do they all need? Oh, because you're at work, right? I'll be quiet, Mr. Dad. I don't fucking know. Oh, all those data centers need gold and silver. And they're putting up massive amounts of them. Oh, gotcha. What do you think, Nico? Eventually it will settle. Just like the, what was it, 2012? It did that? Tons of copper. Yes. Storm, I want to look at that later. Has copper been moving like gold and silver? Has copper been moving a lot? I gotta look at it. You know what? Maybe I can get my everything done earlier today because the market closes early, right? And then I can get on 505, you say? Makes sense. Pretty big support and resistance there. Ooh, we got a soul collector in the 30-second. Lower high. Blue line is the first target, but I think it goes lower. We'll see, we'll see. Basically all prop firms banned metal trading except for Lucid. Lucid is basically the only one not playing any bullshit. TP, I'm looking for 5,000 basically, but we're gonna take some out on the way down. It's fucking going really slow. Really? Good for them. You know what it is? They saved themselves with their fucking 2K payouts. That's what it is. And their max payouts, like, you know, when you're going to live, they got it capped. They definitely helped themselves there. And you know what? It's whatever. I'm cool with it. I do want them to move it to like 4K payouts. That'd be fucking awesome. No, live is not capped. The transfer to live. Yeah, if you're not winning though, you're fucking giving back your shirt. Right now I'm shorting gold for a scalp. It's taking
Daddy,
its sweet baby
is
time
that you?
Marshall, welcome to the show, Daddy.
If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. Guys, if you can, hit the likes. Give me 20. Take you 10 seconds. I gotta beat this algorithm. The algorithm's been shit since it moved to the USA. Absolute shit. If you guys don't mind, hit that screen. Tap that screen. All I need is 20 each. 20 each. Yes. Exactly. You giving back that soul, baby. Do I trade live and disc? Yeah, I'm on disc too. I'm on disc. Every time I'm live, I'm on disc. Disc, you could see my full screen. Wow, I got a brain fart here. TikTok, obviously, I got the purple app and YT running. But those are very slow for me building. I'm trying. TikTok, I get the most attention with. But I got to put out more videos. I'm going to try to work on that this year. I just want to perfect all my learning stuff to give you guys. Here you are. I believe that's you. What's gonna happen, Bob? What's happening here? Fucking, we should have stayed in NQ. Fuck, we missed the Soul Collector on fucking NASDAQ. Hey, can you, I just thought of this right now. Can I trade the NASDAQ and gold at the same time if they're in the opposite direction? Do they count that as hedging on these new rules? I gotta check. I'm gonna ask. Only on the same? Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, they just, a lot of these prop firms just came out with new rules, Bob. And I usually do have alerts. I just... No, I know notifications. I know that. I'm talking about the can you hedge? Like not hedge. Wow. See, I said hedge. You see how I said that? Let me ask in trading this Lucid. I'm gonna ask them in there. What is this doing? Very good rejection here. It looks like. I'm thinking short again, brother. I'm in 10. I'm gangster right now. Wow, did that not cross it? Did. Thought it did. I'm asking in Lucid Discord to see if I can do that, like long gold and short NASDAQ. Mr. Dad, they in the past like 2 or 3 days, a lot of these prop firms Like what? Somebody says I believe you can since they're not correlated, but I want a doesn't happen very often. One little candle. I just want a little bit. What the fuck does this mean? Correlation instruments are usually from the same type, metals for example. I didn't really answer my question, but I'm assuming that you can. Man, it just went so fucking low. Go to this. Ooh. Dude, poke it with a stick. Are you alive?
Daddy? Is that you? Daddy? Is that you?
Not every day. I work, so like I work 4 on and then 4 off, so eventually I'll be on 4 days a week, and then it keeps going like that. So every time I'm live, yeah, I mostly trade New York, and then I'll do a wow, what a bitch. This drives me crazy. Fuck, there he goes. Gotta deny here, or I gotta close it.
Let's say, welcome to the soul, Daddy. Thanks for the follow.
Daddy, chill.
There you go, Bob. What's 1D mean? There's too many fucking areas here. This one is my eval. I turned off my apex, so like I can hold this a little bit longer than I should. No, this is 1 minute. 1 minute chart. Kind of did this to me last night though. Just kept going up. Dead. The RSI. Probably become divergent if it falls. But it keeps doing this. It gives me the okay light, and then it goes up a little bit more. Yeah, gold's a nasty game. So just be careful, guys. Five, 10 threes would give me a short again. Fuck you. I don't want to hold it too long. There's so many fucking here. I keep getting false fucking... Oh my god. Might have to close this soon. You're so close, Bob! Not working for me. Might be a big loss here. Again, I turned off my Apex and I'm trading on Lucid. Fuck. I'll get it back. I'll get it back. It hasn't given me another short, though, since it's been going up. Here it did, and it just didn't care. It 1 o'clock is the close, but most prop firms want you at like 12:30, 12:45. We're dumb Americans. We're freedom. That's what we are. Not as good. It's not as great as you think, cowboy. Definitely the structure is nice though, but not as great as you think. And you might be right, and this just fucking keeps going. Alright. This is a short entry for me. But now we got this one. Gotta get past this. Gotta get through this. Gotta get through this.
Daddy?
Pretty big. It's a lot bigger
Is that
loss than I
you?
wanted to go up. Again, I turned off my funded and now I'm on a eval.
I am. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
What you fig where he is going? What? I don't want no scrub, bitches. Yo, this thing won't go down. Grind Nation right now. It wants all these order blocks. Everyone. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it, Mr. Bob. As soon as I fucking go long, it's gonna crash. You know that, right? But this was an entry to short for me. Not going down. I know. That's a buy. Should I just fucking close and go long? Fuck you, Bob. Going long. We're gonna do 20. We're gonna be a little bit. We're being violent on this because it's a an eval. This Lucid, my Apex isn't. I turned off Apex to trade this. As soon as I fucking do this, it's gonna fall. So I'm down $400 on that account. If this pulls back now, I'm fucking screaming. Broken every single level. Fucking bitch. Come on! Bro, it just drops, I swear. Playing games with my head. I have to be aggressive on this eval so I can get it funded tomorrow or tonight. It's a fat bastard, I know, right? What the fuck? If this comes down now, I'm gonna fucking snap, bro. On 30-minute, I'm not gonna change it to a 30-minute, but there's definitely a different few plays here. The reason why I went long here is because I'm like, this thing just, it shows me shorts and then it fucking rips up. Look at this thing. Jesus Christ. I will have to actually close this if it comes down here. And then if it doesn't work, then we'll have to start that eval over. I'm in 20 right now. 20. And this would have been like a really nice, probably at least half back. You fucking bitch, bro. Didn't I say this out loud before too? I said as soon as it goes short, it's gonna drop. I mean, as soon as I go long, it's gonna drop. The problem today, who farted, is that the actual stock market is closed. Just the futures is open. So this is what's been kind of happening all day. Right now, it actually gave me another long. So very choppy. I'm going to delete all these so we don't get confused. But next it needs to beat this. It needs to beat 514.5. Lex Gap. I was actually born like this, so I'm not really sure why you're asking my age. I've been picked on my entire life because I was born like this. Really fucking hurts my feelings, man. They say my brain capacity is only of a 9-year-old. Let's see. We kind of are about to break above it again. I don't want to add into this because get our money back. Or we can fail miserably. Mustache under? Nah, sometimes my beard will come in. I just fucking I'll get it. See, how is that only $50 that was up and now we're down 300? I hate that shit. Right to the fucking orb high. Fucking MNQ ain't doing shit either. So I'm being aggressive to try to fucking pass this eval for tomorrow, but might be biting me in the ass. Yes, this is gold. Just like that. Listen. Listen. Oh, gold's been fucking hard as fuck. Like, I keep thinking it's gonna go up, and then it's fucking not. So I'm like, usually you gotta just chill and move on from this. But it's an eval. I feel like I'm just gonna, be a little aggressive. All my funded are turned off right now. I only have my evals on. Well, my one eval.
In 10 minutes' time now, at the bottom of the hour, ECP's Villeroy speaks at the AEFR conference on geopolitical fragmentation in Paris.
Alright, it broke it again. So, one of these needs to break. Bob, you still thinking goes up? If you're there. This is another signal to go up, but then we have another resistance here, so. We're stuck in between this sandwich here. This good old sandwich. Gold's been tough kind of like past week and a half. Guys, if you're not following, hit that motherfucking follow button. My algorithm's been kind of broken since we switched to America. But today's not too bad. We had over 100 people for the most part of the day. If you're not following, hit that fucking follow button too. Help me grow.
Daddy? Is that you?
User 58, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yes, earlier this week I lost some money to gold. It's been tough out here. When I was in Mexico, I got a lot of payouts, and then I lost. The rest of my funded was 52,000, 51,000. Let's just say 50,000. Make it easier. I lost that on gold. Yeah, I was just happy to have some payouts, and I was in Mexico at the same time. I didn't even let it get me mad. I think I was on tequila too, so I might have not been good. Definitely had some liquid courage. There was one candle was like $100 or $150 in gold. One drop. The state of Guanajuato, Leon. Yeah, 2 weeks of vacation there, but like visiting some family at the same time. A good way to disconnect from our reality. Go over there. I didn't know this, but apparently I'm in an extremely hood area, but I don't know. Feel safe at the same time. Knock on wood. No, I'm from New Jersey.
In 5 minutes' time at the bottom of the hour, we're expecting comments from ECB's Villeroy, who speaks at the AEFR conference on geopolitical fragmentation in Paris.
That's pretty big. If this breaks as low, it won't be good again, and we're gonna play more games. So again, guys, if you're tuning in, my fundeds are turned off on my copy trader. I only have an eval right now. Move screen so you can see P&L. Right here, you can't see this fucking big ass thing. It's alright. That was a little rude of me. But it is right up here. I am up $330 on my funded. I'm trying to pass this Lucid eval for tomorrow, so I'm being a little bit aggressive. I get some hate. It's definitely true. Like, if people were like giving me the middle finger, and it was pretty awkward. and funny at the same time. I kept giggling. See, why am I up only 8? Is the spread that much, guys? I'm up $80 on that, and this little candle here shows I'm down $400. Like, what the fuck? I'm not really in it for the look. I'm in it for the drive. The drive is insane. Insane. Like, you're in a truck, and it turns tighter than a Honda. Well, I don't even drive. It drives for me. Come on! See, look! Up $50, down fucking 128. The spread is crazy right now. Honestly, I'm so lazy. I want to get it wrapped, but I'm like, I don't have the time because they got to take your car away. Daddy's a busy man. And I really don't give a fuck what it looks like. So the spread. Someone asked me about the spread. I will move this screen. So now, if you have your options on correctly, you have your bid and your ask over here. Right now, it's dropping so much, but it's 0.2. It's 0.2% difference. So mostly, if you're a seller, right, and you own it, whoa, daddy. Whoa, daddy.
We are shortly expecting comments from ECB's Villeroy.
It closes at 1 yogurt, but you got to get out of most of your positions at 12:45. Most prop firms. So if you own the stock, right, you're really asking for the ask. So most of the time, the price that's showing here is off of the bid because that's only what you're able to get right now if you were to just close it. That's instant fill. So most of the time, instant fill is based off of the bid. So that's why it'll show a big difference on when it's going up versus down. Because you can instantly fill on that bid instead of the ask. Now, if
It's
you
been 10
were,
minutes time now at
shorting it,
12:40 p.m. Eastern Time.
then it
We
goes
expect
based
comments
off
from
of
ECB's
the
Nagel, who's giving a keynote
ask,
at the American Chamber of
because you can
Commerce
get
New
filled
Year's
on that
reception.
instantly too. Vice versa, opposite. That makes sense? So that's why it's good to have limit orders on price. So as soon as you do this, most of the time, if you're in a buy, it's going off of bid, like market orders. If you're in a short, it goes based off of ask. But if the spread is wide, like 0.3 right now, it even has gone up to 0.4 difference, will really look wackadoo like we just saw. No, it'll fill at your price of your limit order. Oh, M&Q's got a flag. It'll be based off of your that question again. Sorry. If you're long and it's a limit order, it's gonna fill your bid at that limit order if it touches. the mark. So it won't fill until it hits that price with your limit order. So you could actually see the candle above that price. If it was low liquidity, it actually sometimes won't fill. But we have major liquidity in futures, so it's not a big deal. If you were in penny stocks, you know, you could be above it and not fill because the spread is too wide and it's going off of the bid most of the time. Or if somebody comes in and likes that price and puts an order in. So what you're seeing when you're long, it's basing it off of the bid, but it will only fill, if you're in a limit order, will only fill on your price. So you're going to make more than what the bid says if the spread isn't too crazy. And sometimes there's something called slippage. So say it's going to put your order in, but there's so much fucking volatility that you get a bad fill. Very rare, but that's like news based. Usually news. Yeah, NQ's pumping. Fuck it is, huh? This is what we originally wanted today. Fucking little bitches. Damn. So definitely played games with us all day. Yeah, I actually, my Lucid is fucking doing worse than it was before. I should have just kept it. I might basically break even. I'm gonna close this. I think stocks are gonna move a lot more. NASDAQ. If we can get to this area, I'm gonna probably short the shit out of it. I need a big winner. Sorry if I after 60 miles, I do a 3.5-inch suspension lift kit, bigger wheels and tires. Who farted? It's actually really fucking high in off-road mode, but you lose a lot of fucking. You'll lose a lot of just like a truck. No, the wider it is, you lose distance. If it comes down here, and I'm gonna gamble buy this, I think. We only have 10 minutes left, so fucking pick your poison there, boys. Fucking gamble play. How can I start Bitcoin investments? I don't offer investment.
So in 5 minutes' time now, at 12:40 p.m. Eastern Time, we get a keynote speech from ECB's Nagel at the American Chamber of Commerce New Year's reception.
Does fucking close below this? You know, maybe that's a stupid idea. What do you guys think? We'll see. This might drop on me. I'm on an eval for this, guys, so just a fucking rip up. Fair value gap in. It's on top of an old one. This holds, it should rip up. So right now, spread on NASDAQ is a lot less, right? So basically where it's at is you're going to be pretty close to what it says for your profit if you were to just close it right away. If it fills and not fucking whippy. I'm literally gambling here. Might be a bad idea. I'm gonna eval only right now for the close. We're in 20. I only have like 7 minutes where this is gonna close on me. I'm thinking it bounces a little bit. We break this 753s. It bounce a little bit. Yes, there's a fair value gap with a soul collector, so this can come down soon. I still think it pulls back. A little bit of a gamble though. Or wait. Ooh, come on. This is gonna get scary.
According to Iranian state media, Iran's national oil company says that 3 vessels seized by India have no links to Iran.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and sell.
Come on! There we go. So I am kind of looking for a short eventually, right? But we need to. You see how it's supporting off the old one called the breaker block. Also off of the cloud, off of a fair value gap, and it usually needs to pull back before it drops. But we'll close that now. It's just filled. Gold. It's finally coming down, you little bitches. What's up, bro? I'm like, you're so violent, dog. I'm almost done. Just comes here, rips things down. I'm alpha. Still looks bullish, right? I'm not crazy. Got 4 minutes left. Unfortunately, Lucid won't let you trade past 12:45 today. I'm not gonna be able to get this live. Think so? 24/77. I just don't know if it's gonna do it in time. It closed at 1, but Lucid closes at in 3 minutes. I guess this lucid is gonna take me 3 days now, fortunately. Mr. Bob! You did good. That was a good job. I actually reversed my order. Because I'm like, this thing just keeps blowing up, man. Why do I keep fighting it? And then it started dumping after I did that, by the way. So I was like, fucking nay. No, of course. That was a good call by you. Good job. It gave it fucking hell going all the way up, though. That's for sure. Got 2 minutes left. Mental reset? Yes. I was trying to pass my eval for a lucid day, but it looks like it's going to take me 3 days now, unfortunately. Okay, we got 1 minute and 20 seconds left. I think it closes on its own. Blue and Apex eval. No, my Apex is funded. I have that turned off right now. I'm usually funded with Lucid, but I got a little fucking out of control. Me too. I did good on my funded and shitty on my eval. Me too, Raven. You know, I saw a lot of short opportunities and they kept failing. All right, I got 10 seconds left. Do I just take this, I guess? All right. It is what it is. I can turn on my Apex, but I don't think I should. Not my funded. I don't want to get back any money in my funded. I did pretty well today trading normally. Let's see if it allows me. Whoa! Watch, I'm gonna get fucking... Am I gonna get busted here? Hold on. I don't want to get in trouble. Pretty sure they said 12:45. Oh, see, it closed me. Okay. Hey, that was nice of them. It was a minute after, just in case. Oh, how'd you guys all do today? Green? Hopefully green. If you guys are green, very good. Today was a hard market, so... Gold's been trash since that stuff with the U.S. and Israel. Update me, Scooby. Why? What was the news? That would make this a strong move down. Oh, I watched it semi. Said, what are you on? Gold or? The fuck you on? What are you talking about? You at 11 o'clock? Okay, I'm assuming you said 11. That's a hard call to say. I think it's like 2%. AG, but I keep it simple. Every 50k a prop firm you have, I trade up to 4 max micros. If you want to be more aggressive on your evals, it's up to you. But what's the deal, Scooby? What's the news? You want Keisha? Oh man. See if this is gonna, I mean, that lower high held, right? So 4 minis, you wild. Is it? No, it's not. Unless he's I'm gonna stop. I won't comment, Mr. Bob. 1 o'clock, Nico. Come on, Keisha? I could play Keisha for you, but I really like to save her for some real juiciness, you know? Cause she gets real mad at me, Ricardo, if I just call on her. Scooby, it's a rough market. If you're stressing, just step away a little bit. Watch the stream. Cause it has been hard. It has not been easy at all. It's not been easy. Some days I'm up thousands, and other days I'm at like break even. He says, "Hell no, no, Keisha, moon it." That's what I was trying to say to Ricardo. I said I like to call on her on good days. To be honest with you, that lower high did not hold, so no good. And then we got 775s. You're a perfect person to meet, Mr. Bob. To be honest with you, every morning when I wake up, I'm like, damn, that's a perfect man. Perfect man. See how it hit this order block? You never copy traded 2 accounts? Mr. Bob, what copy trader are you using? I don't like Tradeovate's copy trader. Trade Sinker. Okay, I have a code. I have a discount code for that. Same code, capital bully. All BULLY, all caps for the discount. I am affiliated with them. Took me a minute to fucking get affiliated with them, but I am. I like it for the most part. The only time that I see that it's really bad, obviously volatility, you're going to have a little bit of a difference, but it's nothing crazy. And then when you go from like reverse trading, like
Daddy?
long to short, short to long,
Is that you?
sometimes it'll fuck up, so you got to watch it. Yeah, it's been like we should have been up on no. We recovered that one, I forgot. I was gonna say every time like my TP probably been like 477s and it's been short of it every day. I'm not gonna lie, Bob, they're pretty easy. Especially once you build a buffer and then you go in. I did not get my fucking so last night my Lucid I had $100 more and then fucking gold dropped out of nowhere, fucked my account, so I had to start over. We're trying it again. But usually it's very easy for me. My problem now is that I'm getting 1 or 2 payouts, which isn't a bad thing, right? And then I'm just fucking going in ham, way too heavy. And I'm blowing them that way. This should long above 755.5. I don't know. Well, it depends. Real trading, it's low. Gamble trading, it's high. Higher, right? I'm 50-50 on that. Depends on how you treat it. But what sucks is if you're gonna just gamble every eval and you actually can't trade, guess what? You're gonna cost yourself more money. That's why I kind of recommend Apex first. You can pass an Apex, you can fucking trade, right? You are now into the next level as long as you didn't gamble that Apex account. Yep, closing in 4 minutes. I would not trade. Sometimes gold market will trade to like 115, but I wouldn't it needs to go right here would be my entry 755, but then it's going to be short-lived. Very short-lived 762s. I don't know if that's risk. I don't know if that's worth it for 4 points. Come back. Ooh. Oh, it never really. I kind of did, but might have been the spread. Later, Mr. Cowboy. I might be on tonight. I should be. I'm gonna aim for like 8:30 p.m. I just don't want to burn myself out either. Very good, Raymond. That's a smart move. Unlike me today, where I fucking held that shit. Raymond said, it only took me several Apex cons to start doing that today. I usually do it, but I'm trying to PA. So, if you keep a close stop loss, remember you need to have some room for the move to work. But if you have a decent stop loss and you know your system's down right, you will overcome and win in the long run. Everything's about fucking risk to reward, right? We're not playing this. There you go. Look at this. This thing is playing games, baby. Baby. All right, that's it, boys and girls. That's all she wrote. Let me wrap this bad boy up. $608 today. Half of it was real money. The other half we were trying to pass as eval. What else am I gonna say? No matter what, I'll be on Tuesday and Wednesday morning. I'm going to try to do some night sessions this week. Looking for around 8:30 p.m. I'll let you guys know in my free Discord. Free Discord is in the bio. We are growing. We're almost at 400 members. If you want access to my indicators that I use every day and show you that I make money with them, you can join the VIP section. There's a 30-day free trial. After the 30-day free trial, it is $1 a day, 30 for the month. I recommend Apex and Lucid for prop firms. You don't want to risk your hard-earned money in real life. Why don't you use other people's money? Apex right now is 80% off, $38, and a $75 activation fee. So right about $100 and $105, whatever the fuck it is. Using my code BULLY, all caps BULLY. I also recommend Lucid. The difference is that if you can't trade, you should probably practice on your Apex. If you can trade, Lucid all the way. Probably. Not Lucid all the way. They both got their benefits. Lucid's a little bit easier, in my opinion, if you could trade because of the drawdown. Apex is live trailing drawdown. Lucid is end of day drawdown. End of day drawdown. But if you want the latest and greatest motherfucking discounts on all of them, use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. If you're not following, hit that motherfucking follow button. We will grow this bitch. We will succeed. My algorithm was a little fucked up once we moved to the USA for TikTok. Once they transferred over, the algo was a little messed up. But today looks pretty much better. And you guys helped me with the likes, so I appreciate that. Other than that,
Daddy,
Fully Bears is out. Doses.
I'm gonna try to be on later too. Hit that follow button. Later, Mr. Bastard.